I am Stella Yuni Han, and I'm the current publicity officer of the Medical Society. Here at NLCS Jeju, the Medical Society aims to provide beyond classroom experiences and extensive resources for students who wish to develop their interest in the field of medicine. For example, today we have brain dissection, and these practicals really help us students to be guided by professions like Dr. Raj to actually get hands-on experiences of dissections and other opportunities, which really help us to see what we might be studying at university, for example.
And the brain.
Hello, I'm Sean Liu, and I am leading this dissection subsession within the Medical Society, specifically brain dissection in this case. And I always wanted to provide students in LCS to really see and interact with real life organs or parts of bodies or like real organic stuff, because there are a number of students that are hoping to go to the field of biology but never knew if they were really interested in biology until they really go to the university or college.
Anyone need help?
So that's the reason why I started this biology
Have you guys
section.
split into two?
It is more of my passion than somebody else's passion.
Which should divide the brain into two.
The specific reason that I picked the brain for this, our first dissection subsession, is that due to personal reasons, I have people suffering from muscle fibrosis around me, and it is supposed to be a rare disease, and doctors are trying to find out. And recently in Japan, there has been a research that the disease might directly link to the brain itself instead of the muscle itself. So that's how I navigated myself into the field of nervous systems and brains. And my chemistry teacher and a former neurosurgeon, Dr. Raj, we had a lot of chance to talk about brains, nervous systems, biology, medical, in the field of medicine and medical dialogue with him. And then we eventually decided to have a brain dissection within the medical society so that other students in the medical society could also have a chance of seeing a real life brain in front of their heads.
Hi, I'm Ms Lawton, Head of Psychology, and my role in this brain dissection is to talk about the function of the brain. It's really important for us to know the biology and how the brain works, but if we are applying it to human behaviour, it can help us explain a lot of behaviours and how they can then be treated or helped in society.
Dissection is the way we are looking into the internal part of a specimen, right? We cut open the particular organ, for an example, to look into what is the structure like and how it actually functions. And today we look into brain dissection, mostly because a lot of our students interested to pursue in neuroscience or being a doctor. So we look into brain dissection today, and we look deeper into all the structure in the brain.